Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we are going to talk about a new program and that is also related to graphics, and in this program we will be learning how to change color of background. And for that, so here is the code I have written. So just like other programs, it also starts from the command line. We can see program to set background color. Next line is a header file stdio.h. Next line is a koni.h, console input output.h. Next line is a graphic.h, and this handles all the graphics. Once again, main function, open brace. Next is a CLISTL, it clears the screen. Next is a once again variables, G driver to detect the driver, G mode to know in which mode you are working or going to work. Next is the initialization graphics using two variables, G driver and G mode, and we have to specify its path, and I have written here. Inside C there is folder TC, and inside that there is folder BGI. To change the background of this output, we have to use one function. Its name is setbkcolor. Setbkcolor, it stands for set the background color, and the name of color we are going to put, you have to mention here, like green I have put here. Next I have written something like hello and how are you. So next close the graph and compile it. No errors. Run it. So we can see a background color, it has been changed to green. So this is how we can change the color. uh, Thank you friend. Next time once again we'll be learning something new in next program.